My name's Justin Ivory with A1 Steel. I've been the owner here since 1996. A1 Steel is a complete rebar and structural steel fabricator and installer. We're actually the only ones in town that still install their own rebar and structural steel. We run just over 30 employees full-time. I've got employees that started here in this premises, 25 plus years ago for me. And we've got several of them that have got over 10 years of experience, which is kind of rare in construction. My wife's been a member of Sierra Pacific Federal Credit Union for years. It's since we started the business that we've become more involved with them, just because of the ease of working with them, quite honestly. It's when you go into the office at Sierra Pacific Federal Credit Union, they know who you are, right? Everyone talks about, by name and face. Here they actually do. I also do banking at other banks in the area. They certainly don't know me, I don't know them. I would say with Sierra Pacific, it's not about the big moments with them, it's really about all the little ones. It's, whether it's their app on their phone that makes it super easy to check, we have several different accounts with them, so you can look at any of them at any given time. And a lot of times when you're running different things through them, it makes it nice to be able to kind of double check and make sure you're on track for what you're doing. But it's the summer barbecue that they invite all our employees to. It's not just us, it's all our employees are invited to their summer barbecue. It's all little stuff. We've done a ton of equipment financing through them, along with vehicle equipment financing, and it's always super simple process.